Hey guys, how are you? I'm Asal and I'm back here with another video. So today I want to continue with the verb conjugations, and today I want to start with the verb shodan, means become. Let's see together. شدم شدی شد شدیم شدید شدند. Now let's see some examples. For example, من خوشحال شدم or او ناراحت شد. Okay, can you give me more examples of the verb should? You can write them in the comments. Okay guys, if you have any questions or anything that you want to know, you can tell me in comments below and I will make videos for you and explain them for you. See you on the next week and in the next video. Goodbye. خداحافظ.